Here's a pair of the Sony ULT headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Sony TV. That's Sony TV with Google TV via Bluetooth. First thing is go to the settings on your Sony TV. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, just go to the home screen, just click on the home button. And then from there, you have that gear icon on the top right-hand side, so you can just navigate there, go up and move all the way to the right. Right there, make sure the gear icon's highlighted, click on OK on the remote. And then from here, we're going to go down to remotes and accessories right there. Click on OK on the remote. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and then we're going to go down one to pair accessory, and we're going to click OK on the remote. Now it's looking for devices that are in pairing mode near me, so we got to hurry up and put these in pairing mode before the search ends. Okay, so first thing is, let me just make sure that, let me turn these off first. Okay, so now that they're off, I'm going to turn it on and put it right into pairing mode. So you only have that one power button here. Just press and hold and keep holding until it blinks blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold, keep holding. Wait, where's the blue, 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 blue? There it is, let go. It's still searching, so I think we did it on time, and let's give it a little bit to see if it finds it. If it doesn't find it, then we just have to click back and then just do the scan or search again. So anyway, we're still in pairing mode here. Oh, it just popped up right there, Altware. So then just navigate down, Altware right there, click on OK, it says pairing. I think we get a pairing request as well. Yep, we do. Make sure pair is highlighted. OK on the remote. It says connecting. And it said paired, and it said switch to the Altware. Okay. So there we go. We're connected and ready to go now. Now, if you had issues connecting or pairing, you can always factory reset these. Okay. If you want to factory reset these, just go ahead and look in the link below in the description.